gogoevan.com बिजली वाहन उद्योग के 360 degree solution provider.
Hello guys, this is Prashna Pujari and I'm the HR for the Gogo Group. We are a group company into electric vehicles. Welcome back to our channel and thank you so very much for taking out your time on this video, and I'll assure you this won't be a waste of time at all, because guys, today I'll be giving you some steps, some tips on how to manage your time. These steps are not something straight out of a book or based merely on research. These steps have been tested time and again, by successful entrepreneurs, by successful people, and even I do it on daily basis. So yes, thus rightfully, these are the best 10 tips, best, most effective steps on time management. So let's dive straight into it. The first one for you all I have setting goals. It is important for us, for you to set goals. If you do not have a clear picture on what is to be done, how it is to be done, where you need to be, here I'm not talking of a long-term process on your futuristic goals. What I'm talking about is your daily goals. You all must have heard of that phrase, "Boond boond se sagar banta hai." So guys, if you all have a huge dream, if your goal is to achieve something big in your future, in near future, then the main thing you need to do is do small every day, achieve small every day. So guys, every day, first thing in the morning when you get up, I want you all to write down your goals, your daily goals. Get your thoughts out of your head, get it into something visible, get your goals straight. The next one is to keep a task list. So once your goals are ready, your daily goals are ready, next thing you need to do is to make a note of things or activities that you need to do in order to achieve your daily goals. This list is nothing but a to-do list. When you go to a grocery store and imagine you have not taken your list of items, you will always tend to forget something, or even the essential ones. And this is why exactly you need to keep your list of tasks in your daily lives. This will make your day organized, and it will also help you to break down your list into small manageable tasks. The next one, I want you to prioritize your list. Remember one thing guys, important things first. There is this saying, I've read it somewhere, it says busy life is a wasted life. So next time when you tell someone that you're busy, ask yourself this one question: are you busy being productive, or you are just doing random stuff to kill time? Guys, being busy is not as same as being productive. You're busy, right? So what is that you're doing? Even sometimes you yourself are not able to answer this question, this simple question. And this is exactly why prioritizing your task is important. And again, I'll remind you this one thing, most important things first. So having said that, let's move on to the next one, which is to schedule your list, schedule your tasks. Once you're done prioritizing your list, now you know what are the activities that you need to do today, now. And here scheduling plays a very important role. Here's how. So see, when you get up every day in the morning, you're energized, you wake up fresh, and you are the most creative. And here lies the most important part of scheduling. Here is when you need to schedule your high value tasks. And then on the opposite end, when you're feeling down, during your downtime, you can schedule your less important tasks. Remember guys, this one thing, you never find time for important things. Rather, you make time for important things best by scheduling. So the next one, moving on, is to take up one task at a time. Switching in between tasks or multitasking is, never works really, because you cannot concentrate on one thing, and whatever you're doing, it won't be effective, it won't be efficient. So completing one task at a time in a sequence, it doesn't even give you a best utilization of your time, but it also helps you do that one task in the most effective and efficient way. The next one I have here is a concentration. Maximize your concentration and minimize distraction. So the main point is minimize distraction. Distraction breaks down your concentration, lowers your productivity, and also prevents you to focus on things that are important, and prevents you on performing your task on time. This can also cause stress, builds pressure within yourself. So this is what you do not want in your life, right? Most of y'all are glued to your television, y'all are watching movies, Netflix and chill, Amazon is there, most of y'all are on social media, scrolling through memes and whatnot. But guys, what is the use of it? What this really does? Nothing but killing time. And that is what we do not want. You can think of what ways you can do it, but then try to prevent or avoid distractions. Minimize your distractions, and this ensures for you to have maximum productivity and also gives you control of your days. So let's not take much of your time and get straight into the next one. The next one is overcome procrastination. Procrastination, guys, is a thief of time. Do not ever put off your task which you should be focusing on right now. Remind yourself time and again that if you need to do something, anything, do it right now, and do not let procrastination steal off your time. Push yourself a little bit harder, and keep on reminding yourself you need to do the things now. Get your activities done right away. The simplest way, guys, I'll tell you, the simplest way is to beat a procrastination is to do the task, to do the activities, and the first step is to just start. Get yourself started right away. Simple. The next one that is very important in our daily lives is to take breaks. Yes, you heard me right. Y'all must be considering yourself a superman at work, but sustaining long hours on end will only burn you out and also will sacrifice on quality. Don't beat yourself up so much. Take rest and recharge yourself. This is not a waste of time, guys. In fact, taking break is a way of smart time management. You'll always produce top quality work when you are well rested. So set an alarm. For 5 minutes you can take a break at least within an hour or two, and this would help your body. You will be freshen up and will help your mind as well. Your mind would be fresh and you can think creative. So the next one is saying no. Saying no to activities that is not in the priority list, that is not important, helps you to focus on things that are most important. Every day exactly, you have 24 hours as everyone else does. What can give you an edge is you focusing on things that really matters, that is important. So just say no to everything, to everyone that is not important. It does not support your value or is not helpful for your daily goals, or not helpful at all. So last but not the least, we have delegating tasks. It is rightfully said that everyone cannot do everything alone. You cannot manage everything on your own. It is essential, it becomes essential sometimes to take other people's help with your tasks. It doesn't only manages time, but it also reduces stress, and you can accomplish a lot more when you have people, when you assign tasks to the right people. Delegating tasks is not dumping. Mind this, people. You have to assign tasks with consequences. Expect work to be done from others. This would promote accountability and will help you to achieve your goals and your deadlines on time. So here guys, these are the 10 most effective steps that will help you to manage time and not kill it. I hope you all liked this video and you all learned something of value. So do practice these 10 steps in your daily lives. This would be very fruitful. Trust me on this one. And check out my other videos as well on the same website, on not a website, on the same link, on the same YouTube channel. And also, having said website, we have our company website, gogoa1.com. do visit our website. The links, the contact details are given in the description. And I'll see you next time. I'll be back with another video maybe in a day or two. Until then, stay tuned and thank you so much.
gogoa1.com
बिजली वाहन उद्योग के 360 डिग्री सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइडर।
gogoa1 world class manufacturer or supplier.
बिजली वाहन उद्योग में क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस, कॉम्पिटिटिव प्राइस और एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी।
gogoa1 education system.
बिजली वाहन उद्योग में नॉलेज, स्किल्स और एबिलिटी एक्सेलरेटर।
gogoa1 research and development center.
बिजली वाहन उद्योग में हर इंजीनियर की शान और इन्वेंटर की जान।
gogoa1 incubation center. बिजली वाहन उद्योग में
नई सोच, नया भविष्य, नए स्टार्टअप का बुलंद साथीदार।
gogoa1 ODM और ODM supplier. ब्रांड आपका, आइडिया आपका, टेक्नोलॉजी हमारी.
Go A1. Ride into the future.